Yo, what's up? So, finally, I was able to speak with the tuner. He said to swing by his shop today around 2. Right now, it's barely going to be 1. But by the time I get there might be some traffic. So, I'll probably be there just in time. I kind of want to drive the truck already. You know, it's been a long time since I've driven it in the street. Probably a month at least. So, let's go check it out. So we're at Telephone Road again. So that means we're about 2 minutes from the shop. Damn, this light didn't light shit. Let's go.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your right.
So I came a street after. That way I just have to pull up on the side now. Some nice GMCs. So there you go, all the burnouts again. Alright, so there's a shop right there. Just gotta wait till that guy gets here. So the tuner guy is finally here. Alright, so I talked to the guy right now. He said unload the truck. He said he don't think anything's wrong with the motor. So maybe it's just the guy that was tuning it. I'm not sure. So we're gonna go check it out right now. That's a big ass intake. But are they gonna build it back up or?
Get another
block.
¿Qué es lo que le había pasado a este transmission oil? Yeah. Bearings going out on it.
Some nice wheels. ¿Qué son?
Bogarts, I believe. Son, ¿qué? 17 se me hace? Yeah, 15 on the order. ¿Sabes qué motor sea eso?
Probably that one, ¿no?
Tiene un chingo de motores que va ahí leyendo.
Bill.
El ATF, güey. Yeah, another shit that's cool.
This is an engine oil.
Transmission.
ATF4 o cuál?
They're the same, pero uno tiene que estar más. Este está más chido.
Oh, que esto es full synthetic. Well, you said a gallon, no?
¿Llevamos un gallon?
Yeah, I'll take a gallon. ¿Cuál llevaré, güey? This one? O aquel, el premium?
I don't think it really matters.
Oh, this is the one we're gonna take, no? The
Yeah,
premium one?
este.
This is the last gallon.
Me llevo este.
Yeah.
Y uno de estos. Just in case.
Just in case.
Fuck it. Se prende esta madre.
I had to go buy some trans oil.
Hey, red run? Red shirt?
Everyone's okay.
Let's see it take off right now. Oh, which truck is it? This one or this one? ¿Qué trae esto, güey? 6.2? Pero, what else? Like cam?
Cam, head, all gear.
How much you get?
I got it from Homeboy. He gave it to me for like $60.
Damn, that's a steal.
On eBay, that's what they go for, I think.
See?
Yeah.
I thought I seen them for like $300-400.
Nah, there's the expensive chunky ones, but they work the same. Yeah, they work the same though.
You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
Nada, para los de HID.
From where you from?
Canal Terreno, Nuevo León. Saludos para toda la raza de allá.
¿Tú?
También saludos a todos los de Nuevo León Racing.
You?
Pasadena.
Pasadena.
Pasadena,
Los
Nuevo León.
camotitos.
Los camotitos.
Finally being able to drive this truck. No misfires, like the other guy claimed. That's good. I want to punch it, but I don't know if I can right now. Very tempting. Some gas real quick though. Got the show right there. What do y'all think? Sounds good or not? If you want to put out your info, you want to say something, man?
My name's Cesar. My shop's at 7618 Greaseworth, Horsepower Factory. You got any turbo shit, just bring it to me. I'll make a lot of power.
There you go, man. Follow this guy. Got my truck running right. Time to load up. Yep, it's about to get ugly in the rain outside. Already got that rain. There it is. I'm gonna just do a quick walk around so you guys could hear it idling. gonna check the engine coolant really quick. Cause see, me está marcando the engine coolant. So I'm gonna check it really quick. The reservoir looks dry. Yeah, it's probably low. Ahorita le echo.